In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Knox Junior School won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Knox Junior School. Bible knowledge: in which book of the Bible is this question first asked? Will a man rob God?
Job.
Incorrect. It's Malachi. Solid base. Bible knowledge: in which book of the Bible is this question first asked? Adam, where art thou?
Genesis.
Correct. Science. Knox Junior School. A convex lens is thicker at its corner than at its edges and causes parallel light rays to converge at a focal point. Is this true or false?
False.
Incorrect. It's true. Science. Solid base. Telescopes are used to focus light from distant objects, making them appear closer. Is this true or false?
True.
That's correct. Local affairs or visual question. Knox, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jacqueline Cesar Mackenzie. Jacqueline Cesar Mackenzie.
Incorrect. It's Keisha Anderson, Senator. Solid base. Local affairs or visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Audrey Marks.
Incorrect. It's Rose Bennett Cooper, Senator. English language. Knox. Spell rhetoric.
Rhetoric. R-E-T-R-I-C.
Incorrect. It's R-H-E-T-O-R-I-C. Solid base. Local affairs, a visual question. English language for you, solid base. Spell existence.
E-X-I-S-T-E-N-C-E.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Tom Proud.
Tom Proud.
Well, the time had passed before your answer came, I think. Would you like to try solid base?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
It's Joe Gardner from Seoul. Your question, solid base, television, it's also visual. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Justin.
Incorrect. It's Moonwind from Seoul. General knowledge. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Alaska?
Junior.
Incorrect. Well, we'll take it. We'll take it. Some also say Juneau. It's solid base. General knowledge. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Alabama?
Copenhagen.
Incorrect. It's Montgomery. Social studies. Knox. The coat of arms of which Caribbean country features a blue shield with symbols representing its history and heritage and a cross of bamboo?
Barbados.
Incorrect. It's St. Lucia. Social studies. Solid base. The coat of arms of which Caribbean country features a shield supported by 2 Cicero parrots with a lion at the crest?
Barbados.
Incorrect. It's Dominica. Music, a visual question. Knox, look at the monitor and identify this singer. Would you like to try solid base?
No, thank you.
It's Charlie, XCX. Music, a visual question for you, solid base. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Adele.
Incorrect. It's Shakira. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Knox Junior School on 1 point and Solid Base Prep on 3. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Choose healthy snacks like fruits or nuts instead of sugary foods. A very important tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.